Welcome back to Carverse, where we bring you the most incredible machines on wheels. Today, we're reviewing something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Bugatti is known for crafting some of the world's fastest and most luxurious hypercars, and now they've taken that same spirit and reimagined what a motorhome can be. This isn't just a house on wheels, it's a rolling palace with the soul of a Bugatti. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome looks like something from the future. It carries the signature horseshoe front grille, sleek LED headlights, and flowing aerodynamic lines that scream speed, even when it's parked. The entire body is constructed from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, helping to reduce weight and boost efficiency. You'll find retractable aerodynamic panels that adjust based on driving conditions, and massive custom wheels that proudly display the Bugatti emblem. It's a motorhome that doesn't just look luxurious, it looks fast. The interior is a masterpiece of design, blending high-performance aesthetics with top-tier comfort. The driver's cockpit is inspired by the Chiron, featuring a minimalist dashboard, a digital instrument cluster, and a steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber. The lounge area includes a retractable 4K OLED entertainment system, built-in surround sound, and a modular seating layout that can convert into extra sleeping space. The kitchen is both functional and elegant, with induction cooktops, a convection oven, smart refrigerator, and marble countertops that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury apartment. There's even a hidden espresso machine for that perfect cup of coffee on the road. The bedroom features a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, customizable ambient lighting, and privacy glass that can tint at the touch of a button. The spa-inspired bathroom includes a walk-in rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors that display news, weather, or your travel route. Performance-wise, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is in a league of its own. It's powered by a hybrid W16 engine with quad turbos, combined with an electric drive system, producing over 200 horsepower. For a motorhome, that's unheard of. It accelerates faster than some sports cars, with adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive keeping everything stable, no matter where your adventure takes you. Of course, all this technology and luxury come at a price. The starting price is estimated at around $5 million, making it one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever created. But for those who crave unmatched performance and five-star living on the move, the Bugatti Motorhome sets a new standard. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the incredible 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Carverse.